Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for the Farm and Ranch News. Well, we don't very often talk about lumber, but with the closure of Pyramid Mountain Lumber in Seeley Lake, Montana Farmers Union President Walter Schweitzer says they're exploring an idea to keep the company operating as a cooperative.
We own a couple $100 million worth of value-added ag businesses, and that's what Pyramid Lumber is. It's adding value to timber, which is an agricultural resource. And so it really kind of fits into our purview already. So we'll start having meetings in the Seeley Lake area so that interested parties could get together and listen and brainstorm on how we can move forward.
Well, the dry, open winter has farmers concerned about irrigation water availability this year. Recently, I spoke with Eric Larson, NRCS water supply specialist, and I asked him how we're looking from a snowpack perspective and where that leaves us for this summer's water supply forecast.
This year will certainly go down in the books as one of the lower snow years on record, and we're still trying to make up for that lack of precipitation. April 1st water supply forecast through July 1st are about 70 to 85% of normal. We definitely need more precipitation, but we are rolling into that time of the year in Montana, some of our wetter months, so hopefully we can make some big gains on those current snowpack deficits.
Well, we'll just stay optimistic then and hope that the next 6 weeks bring the moisture that we so badly need. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back for the markets.
I represent a lot of what ranchers' wives are, where they marry into the family. Coming into established ranch, the expectations of that is just absolutely overwhelming. You know, there's always stress with all families, but when you're not dealing with the stress outwardly, it will definitely impact everyone inwardly. You may feel alone, but you're not alone.
Thanks for joining us back here for the Ag Report. The supply of red meat and poultry in cold storage is trending lower. Total red meat supplies have fallen to their lowest level in 23 years, and beef supplies in freezers in particular are the lowest in a decade, of course the result of drought and herd liquidation. Pork supplies are also falling as the industry faces profitability issues along with complications caused by California's Proposition 12. And the poultry industry has been plagued by avian flu since 2022. These obstacles have resulted in lower inventories and lower supplies in cold storage, which has added upward price pressure for protein. Well, cattle futures have become very oversold, but finally found a badly needed bounce back after steep losses last week. Cash-fed cattle did move lower again last week, with live deals averaging 184 and the dress trade under more pressure with an average of 293. I guess it's time to bring those old bulls to town. The market has just exploded with demand driven by lean 90s trim prices. In Sidney last week, one cull bull brought $4,200. Most of them were selling from $142 to $169 a pound, and the cows were strong from $125 to $145. Lamb prices in Sioux Falls trending higher, ranging $290 up to $312, and the ewes were higher as well. And increasing Russian wheat prices and global wheat supplies showing signs of coming down are not helping the wheat market. Prices did start the week lower with pressure from a rising dollar. May winter wheat finished at $585 and spring wheat at $637. Well, that's going to do it for this morning's report. Have a great day.